So let's just recall in the last lesson that we finished by playing this with the left hand on the E flat and the G flat, and the right hand on an A flat and a C. Okay, so now from here, the left hand is now going to switch the pinky on the E flat to the thumb on the E flat. Okay, so from here, it's going to play here, and at the same time, it's going to play a D flat as well. Now the right hand, remember, is on this A flat, and we're going to move over to this G flat. Okay, so from here, we're going to move to here. The left hand on the E flat and D flat with fingers 1 and 2, and the right hand on the G flat with finger 1. Okay, now the left hand is going to hold that while the right hand plays the following. So it's going to be G flat, B flat with finger 3, C, B flat, E flat, B flat. And with the finger numbers 1, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. Okay, and it's right in time. Each of those notes gets one beat. So it's... Okay, and now with the left hand... Okay, now after this, the left hand is going to change to playing a C and an E flat. So from the D flat and E flat with fingers 2 and 1 to a C and E flat with fingers 3 and 1. So from here, the left hand goes to the C and E flat, and at the same time, the right hand is going to play both a G flat and an A flat. So, and then the right hand from there is going to play B flat, A flat. The G flat will be held down. So we have, notice this A flat is being held down that whole time. Now it releases and plays again and gets held down again. Okay, so again we have and now the left hand is going to move to a B flat and D flat with fingers 4 and 2. So the left hand is going D flat, E flat, C, E flat, B flat, D flat. Now with the right hand, and now when we play this B flat and D flat, the right hand will play an E, followed by G flat, A flat, G flat. Okay, so we have so again, okay, and now the left hand is going to move to an A and a C with fingers 5 and 1, while the right hand plays an E flat and an F. Okay, so from the beginning of this new part, A, C, E flat, F. So again. Notice that there's a pause in going from here to here. Specifically, this is held for 3 beats before moving to here. So from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this again is held for another 3 beats. So again from the beginning. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From here, the left hand is now going to play an A flat and a B flat with fingers 2 and 1. Now, while the left hand plays this A flat and B flat, the right hand is going to play a D flat with finger 1. Okay, so from here, the left hand is going to hold this A flat and B flat, and the right hand is going to play D flat, F with finger 2, G flat with finger 2, F again, B flat, and then come back to the F with finger 3 instead of 2. So the F is still being held down from the previous measure, and we play the D, F, G flat, F, B flat, F, and notice the finger change there. D with finger 1, F with finger 2, 3, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so let's do the whole thing so far with both hands. Okay, now from here, the right hand is still going to be holding down this D, and it's also going to play a E flat followed by F, E flat. While the right hand from the A flat and B flat is going to go to a G flat and B flat. So from here, let's do it from the beginning of the part. And now the left hand goes to an F and A flat. The right hand is still holding down the E flat and plays a B flat. From here, when we hit this E flat, we're going to switch it to finger 3 without releasing it so that we could then play the B flat. And remember, the left hand is going to be playing an F and an A flat at the same time. And then the right hand will do D flat, E flat, D flat. So again, from the same spot. Switch fingers. And now the left hand is going to play E flat and G flat with fingers 5 and 1, while the right hand goes to A flat and C. Okay, from the same spot. Switch. Okay, and then we're going to move to finger 2 on that E flat so we can reach the A flat with our pinky, and then down to a D flat with our left hand to finish. From the same spot. Okay, and we're going to slide over here so we could play the A flat with our pinky, and then end on the D flat, releasing the right hand. Okay, let's do everything we've learned today. One, two, three, 1, 2, and let's play it now with a little bit of pedal. I'm just going to press down the pedal with each bass note. Now, if you're a beginner, everything that we did is perfectly fine. If you want to get the beats exactly in time, let's go over that now. The only part that really needs any attention is the very last measure, because everything else is pretty easy to count. So let's just do the first 3 measures, and we'll see. We're just going to count to 9 each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's just work on that very last measure, which is just a little weird at the end. Okay, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to there, it's pretty straightforward. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, once we get to 7, we're going to have to split those beats in half. 7 and 8 and 9 and. 7 and 8 and 9 and 1. 7 and 8 and 9 and 1. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning of that measure, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 and 1. So now let me do the whole part, counting everything out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 and. So let's finish by playing the whole thing from the beginning. I'm going to use a little pedal, but I'm not going to go crazy worrying about the timing.